welcome to Adwoa's amazing world. And today I'm here with Mr. Giraffe. Hello, Mr. Giraffe.
Hello, amazing people!
In this video, we share with you how to make a super antioxidant smoothie. Antioxidants prevent or delay cell damage in your body. The ingredients for our super antioxidant smoothie are
Beetroot, frozen blueberries,
ginger,
and apple. Beetroots have many compounds that reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Blueberries contain nutrients packed with antioxidants to target and eliminate free radicals in our body.
Ginger reduces inflammation and is a good source of antioxidants.
Apples are not only a good source of fiber and vitamin C, but they also contain antioxidants.
Now, let's go to the recipe. Today, we are going to use 2 small-sized beetroots,
2 apples,
2 handfuls of blueberries,
and a medium-sized piece of ginger.
First, we will thoroughly wash our ingredients. Kindly watch our earlier video on how to safely wash your fruits and vegetables.
Next, we will chop our beetroot, apples, and ginger into pieces. Then, we will put the frozen blueberries, chopped beetroot, apples, and ginger in a blender. You can add enough coconut water, almond milk, or just water to the mixture. We will blend the mixture until it is smooth and consistent. Then we will pour the blended mixture into a cup.
Voila! Our super antioxidant smoothie is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also watch out for our next video. Until we come your way next time, always remember that you are amazing.